Comes in a cardboard box. You open it up, and you got a hard case. I like it when we do the hard cases instead of just putting it in a cardboard box. Let's get this bad boy out. Alright, we got this bad boy open. Man, this box is really nice. Got some cutouts in it. Got the owner's manual. And guys, I didn't just get a regular XP. I got one that's hard to find. Yes, sir. I got the bronze edition. Special edition. And man, this thing is beautiful. I'm loving it. It comes with two Glock 17 mags. 17 rounders, 2 optics plates, already in the box. Look like some screws for your optic and a different little magwell pin and a cleaner kit. That's all right. Let's get this bad boy out. Get a close-up look at her. And there she is, guys. Fusion XP Pro double stack 1911 Glock magazines, y'all. And it was gonna be between this one and the Platypus. They both take Glock mags, but I think this is a little better bang for your buck for what you get. This one has the extended slide release, aluminum grip, magwell. And man, she is just beautiful. Really loving this thing. We're gonna get the ground storage and see how she shoots. We'll be back. So this part of the grip is made into the frame, like a regular 1911, but on anything that's 2011 or 2011-ish has a slide frame and a grip mod. That's what tells you if it's pretty much like a 2011 or not. Metal slide, metal frame, and a polymer grip mod. So the difference on that one has aluminum grip, this has a polymer grip, but it's 3 different pieces. The Platypus ain't, it's a slide and then a lower. Drop this on my head. I'm loving this phone. Really loving this.
What's your thoughts on the trigger?
Huh?
You ain't say much about the trigger.
Oh, the trigger's real nice. So that's all your tape up on the trigger right there. And then it breaks. And man, the trigger's sweet. Reset. I mean, hardly any reset on it. Very nice trigger.